Hey there. So I have found what's going on with your graphs. So if you click on your graph, let's just do this one, and you go up to Chart Design and come over here to Select Data. It seems like the columns were selected incorrectly. You probably didn't select them, but they were just sort of defaulted that way. So let's just look at the first volume displacement here, and we'll keep that the same. We're going to go to the X values. That's the X value for volume displacement, the measurements there. Just highlight all four of those, and you get this little bar up here that shows you highlighted them. Just hit return, and it takes it. And then you want to go to your Y values. Your Y values are your mass. So here's where the error was in part. And again, just highlight them. Those are your masses, your Y-axis. Enter, and then that should be fine for that line. The other line is your length, width, height measurements for volume. And let's just grab the name that's that volume. So that's the chart title. Let's grab the X values, those volumes, and that was correct. And then let's grab the Y values, and that is correct as well, the masses. And watch how that changes your graph a lot. Okay. And I'm going to get rid of your regressions here because I don't know which is which. I'm going to zoom in so you have two lines here. And then I'm going to double click on the regression. There's the blue one. I'm going to then set it to intercept 0, display the r squared and the equation. So it's that one right there, the top. And then equally for the bottom one, I'm going to do the same. Okay. So you know which one is associated with which one. That should be it. And then you can go ahead and do that for your second graph. So immediately I saw like these volumes are the same. They shouldn't be the same because you were working with two different volumes. That sort of tripped me up, like something's not happening. It wasn't catching the right columns there. But I hope that helps. So you click on it. Like I said, go back to chart design and select data and select the right columns to go under there. Okay, I hope this helped. Bye.